Hello my favorite people, I hope you're doing great. Here is another information we received from Blum, and this information is all about the meme points. A lot of people are complaining on how to get the meme points. Some don't know how to do the trading, and the proof of activity is no more there. All right, so people have been complaining on how exactly they are going to get this meme points. All right, so in this video, in this update we received from Blum, is they have explained everything in detail, exactly how you are going to get the meme points. All right, so before I start reading this out, if you know you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, and if you have more questions and if you want to join my community, I'm going to drop link to my WhatsApp/Telegram channel. You can just touch the link and join. All right, so as you can see here, they say want to earn meme points before the snapshots. Do you actually really want to earn meme points? Here is how. Number one, they say first, trade on Blum trading bot. So trading on Blum trading bot, there's difference between trading on Blum Memepoint and the trading on Blum bot, trading bot. This is actually two different things. You can trade on the Memepoint and you can trade using the trading bot. All right, a lot of people don't know how to do that, but probably I'll make a video later on exactly how to trade on the bot. So trading, number two is trading and the launches on Memepoint. Number two is to trade on the Memepoint, that is on the Memepoint. Number one is to trade on trading bot, and number two is to trade on Memepoint, or to launch token on Memepoint. That is actually going to generate you. So they are going to show exactly how many tokens you are going to get per trade, stuff like that. On this information here, we're going to read it, so just take and keep following. All right, so the last one is social quest and activity. There are social quests that you are going to do and some activities that are going to earn you meme points. All right, we are going to read them here. All right, so let's dive in for details. All right, so here is the detailed breakdown of the information I read up there. They said complete quests on the Blum Mini app on ChainTap. Complete quest on Blum Mini app on ChainTap. So there are some quests. If you do them, if you do this quest, you are going to earn meme points that you are looking for. Make any swap, get 3,000 meme points. If you make any swap, if you make any swap, you are going to get plus 3,000 meme points. Trade $20 on the Blum trading bot and earn 750 meme points. If you trade $20 exactly on the Blum trading bot, if you trade $20 on the Blum trading bot, you are going to earn 750 meme points. All right, keep going, plus 750, keep going, plus 750 meme points for every $10 in volume, even with stable pairs like TON/USDT or SOL/USDT. All right, as you all know, the total meme points that you need to be qualified is 750. So if you keep going, plus 750 for every $10 in volume, even with stable pairs like what TON US dollar / Solana US dollar. Right, by trading on Memepoint, you also earn meme points, plus 50 meme point for every $10 traded. So if you are using the Memepoint, if for every $10 you trade, you are going to get 50 meme points. All right, so you are going to get 500 meme points for what? For launching your meme coin. If you launch your meme coin, you are going to get 500 meme points, which you are looking for 750. All right, so you need to launch at least 2 times. All right, you need to launch at least 2 times if you really want to get what? The complete 500 meme points. All right, so already completed proof of activity, asking already completed proof of activity, you qualify for the minimum Blum airdrop if other conditions are met. So if you have done your proof of activity, you don't need any meme points. You don't need meme points if you have done the proof of activity before. All right, you don't need to do what? The meme points, whatever. You don't care about the meme point. So here they say more Blum points and the more meme points is equal to better chances at a bigger airdrop. All right, it's equal to better chances at the bigger airdrop. All right, so this is all about today's update. If you know you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm going to keep updating with informations like this, and I hope this will help you. Right, and I hope this helps. Thank you.